Friends, today I am going to start question number 3 from exercise 12.1. In question number 3, we have to find the value. So, first part of this question is 3 raised to power 0 plus 4 raised to power minus 1, and outside the bracket we have 2 raised to power 2. Now, first of all, we will solve the bracket. So, 3 raised to power 0 is 1. And 4 raised to power minus 1 will be written as 1 by 4. In this we have used two laws of exponents, that is a raised to power 0 is 1 and a raised to power minus m is equal to 1 upon a raised to power m. Now we will take the LCM of the terms within the bracket. So we got our LCM is 4. So on solving it, we got 4 plus 1 in numerator, and outside the bracket we have 2 raised to power 2, which is equal to 4. So this 4 in denominator will cancel with the 4 in the numerator outside the bracket. So we are left with 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Now second part of this question is 2 raised to power minus 1 into 4 raised to power minus 1, and outside the bracket we have division sign and then 2 raised to power minus 2. Now inside the bracket the term 4 raised to power minus 1 can be written as 2 raised to power 2 to the power minus 1, because 4 is 2 raised to power 2. Now at this point, which law of exponent is used? That a raised to power m to the power n is equal to a raised to power mn. So we will multiply both the exponents 2 and minus 1 in the next step. So 2 raised to power minus 1 into 2 raised to power 2 into minus 1 will become 2 raised to power minus 2, and outside the bracket 2 raised to power minus 2. Now all the bases within the bracket are equal, so powers will be added. Here we will use law of exponent, that is a raised to power m into a raised to power n is equal to a raised to power m plus n. So we got 2 raised to power minus 1 plus minus 2. Both the exponents are added because the bases are same, that is 2. So on simplifying we got 2 raised to power minus 1 minus 2 divided by 2 raised to power minus 2. 2 raised to power minus 3, minus 1 minus 2 becomes minus 3 divided by 2 raised to power minus 2. At this step, we are using law of exponent, that is a raised to power m divided by a raised to power n is equal to a raised to power m minus n. So we got 2 raised to power minus 3 minus 2, and we got 2 raised to power minus 3. Now outside the bracket we have negative sign, so the sign inside the bracket will change, so it will become plus 2, and we got 2 raised to power minus 1. Now at a raised to power minus m is equal to 1 upon a raised to power m, so our answer is 1 upon 2. Now third part of this question is 1 by 2 raised to power minus 2 plus 1 by 3 raised to power minus 2 and 1 by 4 raised to power minus 2. Now when we'll make the exponent from negative to positive, the fraction inside the bracket will change. It will be converted into its reciprocal. So 1 by 2 will become 2 by 1 raised to power 2, and 1 by 3 will become 3 by 1 raised to power 2, and then 1 by 4 will become 4 by 1 raised to power 2. Now here we have used a raised to power minus m is equal to 1 upon a raised to power m. Means the term becomes reciprocal, and the sign of exponent is converted from negative to positive. So simply we can write it as 2 raised to power 2 plus 3 raised to power 2 plus 4 raised to power 2. 2 raised to power 2 is 4, 3 raised to power 2 is 9, and 4 raised to power 2 is 16. And when we add all the three terms, we get our answer as 29. Now fourth part is 3 raised to power minus 1 plus 4 raised to power minus 1 plus 5 raised to power minus 1 and to the power 0. So here we are using law of exponent, that is a raised to power 0 is 1. So the value of this expression is 1. Now fifth part is minus 2 by 3 raised to power minus 2, and outside the bracket we have one more exponent, that is 2. First of all, here we are using a raised to power minus m is equal to 1 upon a to the power m. So this term inside the bracket will be written as minus 3 by 2 to the power 2, and outside the bracket we have one more exponent, that is 2. Now we are using here law of exponent, a raised to power m to the power n is equal to a raised to power m n. So we will write it as minus 3 by 2 to the power 2 into 2 will become 4. So we will separate the terms in the numerator and denominator. So minus 3 will be written as 4 times in numerator, and 2 in the denominator also will be written as 4 times. On simplifying, we got 81 by 16. Now at this step, we have separated the terms in the numerator and denominator and multiplied them according to the power given. So our answer is 81 by 16. So I'm moving to question number 4, part 1. In part 1 we have 8 raised to power minus 1 into 5 raised to power 3 and 2 raised to power minus 4 in the denominator. Now 8 can be written as 2 raised to power 3 to the power minus 1, because 2 multiplied 3 times gives 8, into 5 raised to power 3 upon 2 raised to power minus 4. So here I am using a raised to power m to the power n is equal to a raised to power m n. So the exponent inside and outside the bracket will be multiplied. So 3 into minus 1 will become minus 3. So I will write it as 2 raised to power minus 3 into 5 to the power 3, and upon in the denominator we have 2 raised to power minus 4. Now both the terms with base 2 are in reciprocal form. So here we are using 2 a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a m minus n. So we will write it as 2 raised to power minus 3 minus 4 into 5 raised to power minus 3. Now it will become 2 raised to power minus 3 plus 4, 5 raised to power 3. Then it will be written as 4 minus 3 is 1 into 5 raised to power 3. So we got 2 into 5 raised to power 3 is 125. So we got our answer as 250. Now second part of this question is 5 raised to power minus 1 into 2 raised to power minus 1 into 6 raised to power minus 1. Here I am using a raised to power minus m is equal to 1 upon a raised to power m. So I will write multiplicative inverse of these terms. So 5 raised to power minus 1 will become 1 upon 5. 2 raised to power minus 1 will become 1 upon 2. And 6 raised to power minus 1 will become 1 by 6. On multiplying both the terms within the bracket, I got 1 by 10 into 1 by 6 outside the bracket. So I got my answer as 1 upon 60. With this part, question number 4 is completed. We will start question number 5 in the next video.